Will I answer? Answer. I see them chasing me. Will I run from them? Run from them. I hear them calling me. Will I answer? Answer. I see them chasing me. Will I run from them? Run from them.
15, 16, started off a young man, head in another place, no MySpace. Older dudes run around with guns on their hip. Berkeley, California, man, I got love for that shit. Every day I stay awake, cause I'm thinking when they coming. Old friends you grew up with, really can't trust them, and the cops is watching you, so you really can't bust them. Looking all through your emails, reading your discussions. What's to believe? They talking about Illuminati and the secret government that's allegedly inside it. Man, I'm sitting in my scraper blowing blunts to the head. I'm just trying to live my life and not end up jail or dead. Probation laws got me tripping all off the feds. All this war over funds and some motherfucking gas. Wise people in the world who ain't got no fucking cash, and I see him in my rear view. I'm finna break this glass.
I hear them calling me. Will I answer? Answer. I see them chasing me. Will